Okay, in the last video, I had done a little check on this combined sheet to make sure that there were no points that weren't problems. So I added these two columns here, easting difference and northing difference, and those are formula in each of those that compare each row, the difference in those two values between the two check and the two correct sheets that were combined together. And here, actually, if you check the filters on these, this is a really quick way to check it. So I put the formula in, dropped it down all the way to the bottom of the data, and checked the filters, and you can see that there are only zeros in all of these. So there are no differences in either the eastings or the northings, which means that all of these points do need to be corrected. They were all problematic. So we know that we're going to have to recalculate the offsets on all of these points. So now we don't need those columns anymore. I'm just going to erase them. Those were just verification. And sorry, let me get my cursor in the right place. Delete. Okay, so the next thing we need to do, now we've got a spreadsheet that has all of the problem points, archive data, plus their CiteTect versions, which if I can line up my cursor correctly and hit the right, there we go. Okay, so this is the CiteTect side, so this is from the two correct sheet, along with all CiteTect notes that are preserved there, so nothing's lost in all of this. And now all we have to do in order to process these data correctly is actually create the two correct sheet again. So two correct. There's the two correct sheet. And go back to check. Scroll over to the two correct part of this, which starts at Z, which is where we dropped it initially. Select Z through AN. Cut that, don't copy it, but cut it, because you don't want it on this sheet anymore. And then stick it over in two correct, right there. And just drop it there. And that's it. And so now we've got everything in this combined file. I'm going to hit save again on this. Continue.